This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. Oh, good, oh, great sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good. I woke up today with a smile on my face. Ain't gotta worry. Not a care in the world. My mind on heaven in a new kind of place. Surfing the clouds now. Gonna go up. Ooh, in a real feel chill cool mood. Gonna go up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. Oh, good, oh, great sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good.
No one roast marshmallows better than me.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Ayan, ikaw na ba bad trip? Diba?
Pinipilit kong maging mabait sa'yo, pinipilit kitang intindihin, pero binabastos mo talaga ako
Hindi kita
eh.
binabasto.
Inaayos ko yung usapan kasi ayokong pumangit ang ano natin. Lagi na lang.
Kasi may pagdadrive mo.
Bakit yan na inaasal mo? Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
A few moments later.
Nag-drive ka! Aray!
Buisit ka talaga.
That's sweet! Baby,
Huling camping ko na to, baby. Sinasabi ko na sa'yo. Pero yung nag-ano ka, ang hinihiling ko lang sa'yo kanina, follow the speed! Diyos ko po! God. You're very frustrating.
late na yung vlog natin. Kasi,
Ay, vlog mo!
that is sweet.
Iinis ako sa'yo! Buisit!
Ikaw din eh. Sumisegue ka din eh.
Yung mga nagda-drive dyan, papunta sa mga camping or sa whatever, follow the speed. Makakarating naman kayo eh. Be safe.
Follow the speed guys. Be safe.
Galit.
Safe na tayo. Safe na tayo guys.
Pagsaya ko pa lang sa'yo eh, nanganib na ang buhay ko eh. Safe na safe.
Passenger lang tayo para relax. Sabihin lang mag-drive niya. Yeah, safe. Safe.
The sweep.
Safe. Weather ngayon is not good. They say 40% chance of rain. And then tomorrow is 60% chance camping because you know it's so
Sure?
good to go to nature.
Hindi ka magte-test sweep.
Love na love kita eh, paano kita test?
Buisit na buisit ako kanina eh.
Oo,
Ako dapat na buisit!
Ay, desperate
Ako ang lagi naiipit!
Sige na, mamaya malapit na tayo doon. Siguro mga 30 minutes na lang. Kaya hintayin nyo. Kasi pala pagka yung hindi ako nagda-drive kasi mas napofocus ko yung pagbablog ko, na-enjoy ko yung moment sa inyo. Ayan, katulad mo, nanonood ka ngayon. Kaya subscribe mo na itong channel
Sa
natin.
inyo.
Tayo sa campsite. See you there. Lapit na tayo. Woohoo!
Video mo ako!
May video ulit.
Gigil ako eh! Talagang gigil ako eh! Ang sarap manakali!
Yan, sige.
Mga nagsaspeeding dyan eh! Speeding boy.
Ano mga comment guys, ewan ko ba kung ba masyado na akong binambash ngayon. Ano talaga pag-popular. Sige na, see you ulit.
Pa ako na espresso kasi.
Hindi ko alam kung ilang sukat yun kasi lahat pinano ko lang, niran ko lang ng niran.
Ay, nakalimutan kong sabihan sa'yo. Dalahin mo yung, may may mga filter yun eh.
Ah,
Yung mocha pot, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
paano gagawin mo?
It's okay without it. Pero mas maganda kung meron nun para hindi umangat yung
Okay.
ano.
Eh di may
nakalimutan
mag-grind
ko.
yun pag ininom.
Oo, pero it's fine.
Think,
13
nakapag-set up na sila. So, sana nakapag-set up na sila. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Pwede ka na i-set up yung tent namin. Tapos yung mga tarp, kung nailagay nila. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din.
Ayun,
Kasi
Parang mas ikaw
gusto ko
magaling
namang
mag-ayos.
gusto ko namang mag-ayos ng mga ganyan. Kasi
Oo.
talagang outdoor adventure boy ako eh. Kaya...
Total bulik camping ko na.
Uy!
Ayun.
Isa.
Hindi. Ito yung pressure, yung tenga ko. Walang trabaho, paano na?
Sabi, hindi ka talaga expect mo ha?
Yeah.
Hindi wala na yun eh.
Hindi ah.
Inom mo lang ng kape.
Oh, naranasan mo na ba?
Oo, minsan. Narinig
Ano
ko
minsan?
yung sa tenga ko. May parang tulilig pa. Parang tining, gano'n.
Tapos nagkaroon ka na ng vertigo?
Oo, parang meron din
Ah.
minsan.
Ikaw rin pala.
Nawawala din. Pero hindi katulad ng mga,
Ako hindi, sa linggo kasi ako.
yung mga malalang
Ah.
case. One day.
Pet Malu,
One day lang mga
Sakalam yung sa akin eh. Sakalam, Pet Malu. Test whip pa.
Yes. Tayo medyo makulimlim na kanina, maaraw. Tapos bigla kumulimlim na naman. Pero okay lang yan. Enjoy lang natin ang weather. Meron pang mainit-init na panahon. Kasi pag nag-snow na, hindi tayo makakapunta dito.
Akala
Well, I don't think I'm a sing-along, but there's something on my mind. And words just sometimes aren't enough. They pass and fade and rhyme. I don't think I believe in love. And God and all the saints. But somehow, baby, somehow, you make me wanna change. And it feels like I've been traveling down a long and lonesome road. And it feels like I've been trapped inside a Cash or Dylan song, with train tracks and gunfights and a fire in every hole, and long drives to find my way back home. I see a change, I see a way, and I find my way back
Judo! Nandito tayo guys. Hello!
in the front.
What's up everybody?
Jaya, endorse the key.
Oh, what happened? Ay, G.
Mabaho dyan, Jaya. Ayan. Paano mo nalaman?
Nakita ko yung ano.
Basan.
I was sober. Yeah, I was sober.
Man?
Oh, it's all right.
What's up? Hello. Iwan mo na doon baka. Kumusta kayo dyan?
Yeah, we're good.
Ito na yung ating mga friends natin.
Yung kabilang ano naman ng iba, ano ni James, tanggalin mo yung...
Nice.
Giant! You mean who like
Kumusta?
Bless tita.
Naman.
I'm just saying.
Kasi baka ako madali ko din eh.
Watch that other
Baka
one.
madali mo si ano.
Sinabi nyo eh.
Kaya nga, mali
O,
nga.
di next time.
Next time pala.
Learn the lesson.
Yeah.
Para hindi.
Use the other side.
Ayun lang, no? Yung ano kasi yun eh, di ba? O, maliit na. Eh, hindi naman sila tatangay doon eh. Dito naman sila tatangay eh.
Ayan. Happy na tayo. Kasi nandito na tayo. So, magpa-park lang ako ng sasakyan ko dito sa gilid. So, dito lang tayo magpa-park. Tapos, ayan, nabasag yung taillight ni James eh. Kasi nag-park siya dito eh. Tapos, ang yung puno. So, mahal yan. Mahal yan. Mahal yan.
Pepe lang yata yan eh. Never mind.
No, look at that. Never mind.
What happened to the tarp?
Paano ba?
It's okay, I'll do it.
Sabi ko,
I'll help you. I don't know how to do it.
It's fine.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you need to
Oh,
pull
yeah,
it.
pull it. Yeah, okay, that's what I did.
Yeah.
I'm like,
you need-
oh, I didn't know.
You need to pull it.
You know, but that should be lower. That should be lower.
Yeah,
She
you
had a
can
nice
adjust
one.
it.
No, not this. The rope.
Oh,
I
the
watched
rope.
hers. No, you can't have that. No, you can't have.
Thirsty?
Eh.
That's not good.
Mm-mm.
Beautiful eyes niya.
Mm.
Oh, sus!
Look over here, see it?
Naghahanap. Oh, he doesn't want it.
Oh, where's my hair? Get my hair.
Ayan, pwede na to. Ayaw niya. Hindi mo pansit?
So what? Tilted ours, eh? See it? Right here. The thing.
Oh, yeah. I-choke siya ng smoky.
Jerome. Want some?
Magre-report muna ako sa kabila. Kakain na ako kasi tapos na ako mag-ayos ng tent namin. Kumusta naman kayo dyan?
Hi, may nag-vlog.
Ha?
Hi, guys.
Sino dyan natutulog?
Ito, mga batang to.
Kayong dalawa.
Yes.
Kayo apat.
Kasya
naman.
yan.
Na-try nyo na yun dati bago yan.
Kaming dalawa.
Okay.
Single pa.
Okay.
Nakapagulungan pa kami dyan.
Sige. Basta kasya kayo. Kasi baka mamaya masikip na. Kasya naman. Okay. Palitan pa na ako. Pag kailangan mo nung palakol, nandun yung palakol.
Sige.
Para...
May workout siya.
Buti nga hindi umulan eh. Kasi sabi nila, hindi. Nakapang-ano.
What's up mga guys? I'm gonna give you a tour to our tent.
Okay, sige.
So first, you're gonna open the door, okay? Oh, it's already open! Surprise!
Surprise!
And then,
Baka may nakahubad ah.
wala naman.
Wala mo nakahubad dyan. Pwede mo pumasok.
Yes.
Hindi pa private.
We are 4 people here. So this is Kuya Oscar and this is Arpen. It's so
Ano
organized,
sa may isa pang bed? Kay Ate Bet.
Down there.
Ay, hindi pa naikakabit.
Yeah.
Ah.
So guys, it's so organized. Look.
Oo nga.
See?
Laki ah. Ilang minutes bago maitayo yan?
It's just like less than 5 minutes.
Wow, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Content? Are you sure?
Yes, because it's 4 of us.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use this blanket for tonight, guys.
Is it brand new or nagamit niya yung last time?
Yeah, last time.
Oh, that's
And then
good.
we're gonna give you an update. You know what? Yung nawalang gift natin kay Kuya Oscar, yung Ray-Ban niya, nakita.
Saan nakita?
Nandito sa loob ng ano.
See? Nandun pala eh. Nasa mga bulsa na. Ayun. So meaning, naitago mo. Hindi siya nawala or nalaglag. At least, safe.
Diyan pala si Luca Donche. Sa kabila.
Ewan ko dyan, Tito. Madami yung kilala, hindi ko nakakilala eh.
Player na sa basketball player.
Sure ka? Totoo? Baka mukha lang. Sige. Mamaya, babalik tayo dito. Doon muna tayo sa ating tent. Kakain. Kakain muna tayo kasi gutom tayo eh. Para medyo malakas na yung ating energy. So ngayon, sarap na yung medyo tahimik lang dito. Pero ngayong weekends kasi ang dami na ngayon nagkakamping kasi weekends kaya tapos long weekend tapos holiday pa so Monday kaya
You thought you're done.
yan. What?
Done ko na nakain. Ba't ikaw? Ayaw ka kumain pa. Alam mo ba eh? Sure. Basta wala ba tayo? Okay.
Yung sa black sprayer.
Sure. Wala akong pistachio. Pero doon may pistachio pa na bukas. Huwag muna kayo magbukas. Ay, meron ka pa ba? Yung luma.
So, I forgot to
play
though, Jason, you ready?
No, I'm good. I'm not
You're
gonna
playing
play tonight.
No, you're playing.
I'm not gonna play. You play with some.
After. No, they're going to get ready.
Go play with them.
No,
play with them.
Just take a shower. They're going to take a shower and get ready.
Where are you guys gonna play?
When he's ready.
Yeah,
I'll play.
Well, now.
Later.
Over here?
Not right now. They're
Where?
going to brush their teeth and get ready.
There's no
Tama
table. We
yan.
have to fix that.
Let's fix it. Later. Hindi pa naman sila
Later.
ready. Pag dumating na
No big
sila.
rush.
Wala.
You guys eat already?
Ikaw kasi,
I've been eating
ayaw ka
all
kumain.
day.
We haven't eaten. We were eating and
Where's your
Four hot
bistec?
dogs. I eat.
He ate all the bistec.
No more bistec?
No, don't blame
Merong
me.
mga kakonti.
There's no
na doon.
some.
Hindi na
Oh, 4
kakainin
slices.
kasama ng
I
kain.
know.
Ah, boy. I'm gonna try it.
Look at that. Look at that.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, you
Ano,
don't
bakit
like
niya
it?
nilagay
Oh, that's
ito?
nice.
Bakit?
Ha?
Bakit?
Kasi siya lang pwedeng umupo dyan. Ito para sa mga ibang
Oh, no,
gumagamit.
that hurts my ass.
Sensitive
I
siya.
promise you, it will hurt your
Oh,
butt.
yeah, you go try. Go try.
Try.
Oh, that hurts.
Sobrang sakit niya sa puwet.
Kasi
Oh, it hurts mine,
baka
man.
may mga may sakit yung umupo dyan. Sensitive si Micah.
Hindi, kuya Jay, ang sakit.
Hurts.
Bawal
No,
kasi.
keep biking.
Go
Go
bike.
for 20 minutes.
Yeah. Di ba nung nag-bike tayo, afternoon eh.
That's much
sakit
better.
ng
No,
puwet
that's
ko eh.
nice. $4, dollar store in Banff.
Yeah, Kuya Jason gave Olivia her...
You guys are bored.
Bottle.
You went to the stores.
Ha?
Ah,
Yeah, we
go to
were bored because we have to stay kasi, di ba, ano ba yan?
No, we
The
left at
departure is
11.
11, yeah.
We found a spot. 10:30 was
Yeah, we
perfect.
were praying,
Front row. We
please.
went and got French fries. I was going to jump in that water. We didn't. I didn't. But
Yeah, you guys
feel like
do
it's
it.
gonna be cold.
well, if it rains, but once that heat comes out,
When you walk, you won't get cold.
it's right there, man. It's not a far hike. I done it.
And then you're
Well,
gonna be
always-
bored because you have nothing to
I
do.
always have people always make
Overnight,
excuses,
me and my brother,
excuses.
I'm getting
Everything is
Ay, Kuya Jay, may sinasabi ko.
No, excuses.
what? Not?
He's vlogging.
Excuses.
Ano yun? James is saying something.
No, I'm just saying I'm drinking tomorrow. That's
Tim Hortons ako kanina eh. Maga.
Nag-breakfast na ba?
Hortons. Tapos.
Bakit? Ba't nag-breakfast ka? Eh, kasi nilagay
Eh kasi,
Ano ba problema sa ano? Ano ba meron?
hindi mo alam eh. Na-accident yata.
Hindi namatay kaya.
Paano? Ha?
Sarado.
quick.
Diba?
Unless may nararamdaman na.
Oo.
Ayaw.
Ano yung motion sensor?
Good. Nice.
Siya tested. Pero pwedeng steady acting mo. Tapos naiiba siya ng kulay. Pero gusto ko lang dito.
Ay. Upgraded si Kuya sa pailaw niya. Hindi na yung dinidikit-dikit ah. Ay di, okay na yung kay na Kuya kasi ano yun, malakas ganyan.
Parang
Sila kulit ba kaya?
pinakatarget.
Yung kay na Kulit nilagyan namin ng tarp.
Ah, okay.
Oo.
Yung sa inyo, hindi kayo magta-tarp?
Oh, This week ka, this week. Uy, gano'n kayo sumaw.
O tapos, sinibidyo tayo.
Ha? Ay, binibig ba tayo?
39 na. Matutulog na kami. See you guys in the morning. Good night.
A few moments later.
Maya-maya na lang daw. Ano oras? Diba ko, hindi ko gusto na magluluto na muna. Isda yan, tsaka torta, matagal pa yun. Ay, mag-pan na lang ako yung mga ganun.
I know the wood sucks.
Wood chip. Wood chip. Pwede wood chip. Pwede wood chip.
Hindi ba ito?
James, wait, I can just use my hands.
Remove those. But
Mabili. Saan ba yun?
Ayun.
Lagay ko na?
Hindi pa. Dali yung pan. Chips.
Ito.
Ano ka na yan?
Kayo lang ba yung merong kape?
You want
Okay.
soup? You want to try that soup?
No?
Gusto mo na noodle?
It's quick.
Really?
Quick and easy. You want one?
Yeah,
Sure.
give them
I'll give you
I'll try.
Yeah,
Seafood.
seafood.
Seafood is my favorite.
It's not bad.
Oh.
You want one too?
Maybe ano pa ako?
Oh, the chicken's good.
Hey, hindi yan.
So, ano yung tong? Natakan ba? Olivia?
This one's good.
Olivia? Can you give this to Jaya? Maybe they want it to
Same. Oh, it's chicken. Oh. Not bad.
Can you give it to Jaya?
Quick, easy.
Saan naman may dyan?
Tulog pa ang babies?
Kumusta naman kayo dyan?
Day 2.
Day 2. Kumusta ang ano nyo? Unang gabi ng tulog nyo? Mainit sa tenyo? Oh, that's good. Sure?
Yes.
That's good, ah. Sausage.
Pag nakatatlong pedo card, congrats mo. Pwede ko na isata.
Andun?
Para ano yan?
So, gamit nyo?
Malaki.
Ano malaki?
Ano? Sabi Tita Jai.
Malaki daw eh.
Hindi? Ah, malaki.
Gising tuloy yung baby. Konting kapayapaan daw para sa ekonomiya.
Yung kapitbahay natin tulog pa. Huwag tayong maingay.
Ingay. Kain tayo. Cup noodles.
Yung noodles oh. Sabi sa pag malamig tsaka maulan-ulan sa gabi.
May ano yung, may music yung ano, bubong namin.
Oo.
Oo.
Tok 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 tok.
Akala ko nga sabi ko, may nagsisiga. Mga ganun
Ang tubig yan. Pakain. Basta enjoy nyo lang yan ha. Kasi ano enjoy tayo kasi long weekend ko. So, pahinga lang. Okay. See you guys. Balik na tayo dun sa ating kasi ano, mag-aayos pa ako. Kakape muna tayo. Bye-bye.
Kahit naman James doesn't have brief. James doesn't have brief. He doesn't have brief and he tucked it in.
Feels good.
Yeah, I know. And he said, no, I have to tuck it in.
Gusto mo yung ano mo dyan.
There's no baking out there.
Change na outfit kasi. Ito yung ating ano Felix Bacat.
No, ngayon ko kami pantalo para sa viewers ko.
Ito yung pang working pants.
Working pants. Oh, yeah. Sarap sa suka. Ha? Suka, bawang. Sarap. Ganyan lang? Hindi magtira ka naman, no? May suka ka.
Ano yan? Talong. Ito ang talongs.
Ito medyo maano pa matigas. It's very good from my sisterette. It's approved. Good job. Sige lang guys, magluto kami. Kain tayo dito mamaya. Mamaya natin yung tirahin. Gusto na ni James. Oh, ay, lahat naman gusto na hindi. Ay, di kasi wala nang kakain tayo. Ha? Eh, kakain tayo dito mamaya. Okay lang. Oh, matalsikan ka, Joy. Ano yan? Ano, daing. Dadaing tayo sa katoritas. Sige. Ano mo rin pupunta? Eh, mo nga eh. Sabi ko, paano, sila na lang nila, tsaka si James. Kasi nagluluto pa ako. Oo, ako na magluluto. Ano ka, no, ayos. Sino? Hindi. Nantay ka lang din nila. Hindi pa naman sila ready. Ay, basta nagdaan. Tinatawag na ako. Okay pala eh. O, kung tinatawag. Kasi ano ba yun? Mamaya na lang. Gusto mo yung nila? Oh, si James. Sila nila si James na lang.
Okay pa.
Yung lab.
Alas yung mga adventurers natin.
Yung mga payat magwo-walking.
Wala siyang dalang running shoes.
Ha?
Ay!
Si Olivia nga, nakakrops kanina.
Crocs na lang. Ito. Gusto mo suot yung Crocs ko?
Bye, see you later.
Hoy, watak video! Dito!
Wala akong dalang wallet.
Go.
I don't have wallet or anything like
I
that.
didn't bring nothing. Do you have a wallet?
Okay.
Do you need a wallet?
No.
I think we need none. We got waters and bars and snacks.
It's just 2 hours, right?
You can make it 20 minutes, or you can make it 2 hours. You can make it 6 hours.
No, maybe 1 hour.
It's all bridges on rocks. It's not bad.
Right?
Oh, look at
So
that.
I have to be...
We made it right to the top.
An hour
If you see a bear, You just have to be faster than G, guys.
Oh my god. I like to see bear because I haven't seen one.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't
I
seen
know
one.
we saw one on Waterton.
No, I'm not with you.
I seen two. I seen two.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ako matagal ka na. Dadaan mo dito.
One and a half miles. That's it.
I know.
That's nothing, man.
Yeah, not
Upper Falls. Or no, the main one.
What's this?
I don't know. You can do that. Or that one. There, you want to do that? 8.1.
I can do even that.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm sad.
8K?
So it's, yeah, 8K one way. So
Not bad.
16K.
Yes.
There, bye.
Mile, 1.5 miles.
1.5 miles, 1 hour.
Right?
Yeah, it doesn't look good on the camera.
Oh, yeah.
So pretty.
Nasabi, maaga kasi kaya nagapunta.
You're not there. That's right. We can get them hard.
That's so pretty.
Look at that cloud. Look at this mountain. Almost up. Cool.
Ooh, it's so deep down there. Yes, lava.
The other falls.